We dey salute una for outside the country people dem. Pidgin news, we go start with wrong number dem from site for Bamenda. Motor e born small so e for enter na for inside Benin people dem place. Na for hospital roundabout wey the thing happen this afternoon. Na so too we go take una enter for Kumba. Palava for light wey dey go off come back. We dey hear say fish money for buy fish e don go for up. Na so too people dem for fish, people dem dey fix fish for Kumba. Na dem dey don enter for trouble for sake say people dem dey check say dem no dey do dem work in the proper. Tori too for this afternoon we go carry on now. We enter for inside Banyo. As we be talk for now, as we be tell una for after morning time, we be talk palava for the bridge wey population for Banyo. They be fear say e go cut on Monday after wey some motor wey carry plenty cargo e come waka pass on top that bridge. Tori for this afternoon we go take una enter for there. Make una forget Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute, Prime Minister, head boy from Gomna. Since for morning time, he dey with the private business people dem for side for Jikam, and he dey try for sell this plan from Gomna for Billback, Southwest and Northwest. And with the here say Jikam, he don't talk say yes, they go turn up for Bangomna back for see as way they go use them for Billback, Northwest and Southwest as way Tori enter for inside we hear country people them. Now so too go take una we enter for other Tori them inside this afternoon chapter for Corona and even chapter set for newspaper. We go bring them for now for Tori House for inside Equinox this afternoon. Country people them, big people them talk. It tell we say mop wey something e dey for inside. E know the open mop wey something e dey for inside. E know the open. Big people them talk. E come out now for Bison Paul Jr. wey Dishidon for Bonaberry Douala for subdivision. We return back small time. Una come for country people then with the salute una for this side. So for inside Equinox Tori House this afternoon, country people them. Tori for this afternoon, as so when I say when I don't sabi and as so talk plenty thing then day we'll go talk this afternoon inside Equinox Tori House, and some of them we go start now for place where they call them say Bamenda. For inside Bamenda this afternoon, now fire we e burn for inside some motor for just for corner guarantee place as we Tori enter for we here. Now for hospital roundabout we this motor e catch fire as we Tori enter for inside we here, and wait we provoke this fire just now. Nothing that way people them they never sabi as we the fire e burn on top the motor so till last and no man even some other thing them as so the talk some other people then say small so therefore even the fire if a burn so they enter for place where them the column say Benin people them for say the next place where the fire for even Tonton he enter country people them if for Benin for some Benin people them place as soon as the fire be burn where it starts now from some motor where it be park for just for corner road as soon as the CM so for hospital roundabout this afternoon. And if no be now for say people them they be don't wake up and now for say people the day the fire if for just enter for burn the next building where it be just the only for corner all the fire so on the CM it come out now for motor country people them, and the cause for this fire for that motor no person in no sabi as when the motor catch fire. Driver for the motor says it be day outside just for sabi so driver for motor no be day inside, and no other person it no be day inside that motor where be the catch fire for around hospital roundabout for inside Bamenda. As we are talk now this afternoon where the fire says it be catch day for inside that motor for hospital roundabout Bamenda Northwest region for inside Cameroon. And just for tell una say one time wey fire start catch na so to dey call 118 army rescue people them under the lookout for senior warrant officer Takupol them say the quick come sabi say as well the motor be the born e be the born already enter for Benin place them where they be there for corner, and if you for succeed enter for the first Benin place where for day e be there na only sawdust where they sell am and even firewood The motor, if the fire, if for burn, una see say Army Rescue too, they don't get their own amog motor where they use them for block gun and for tell una the condition where the Army Rescue people then say that the work be last. This Army Rescue people they be make and so they lost the fire for the motor. But we sabi say if they know for come quick time where they be call them, say me they can lose the fire. Now so to country people them the fire if for enter for being people them place. Maybe the driver them they go talk say naturally overheating as well they talk. Now way it provoke the fire will be the burn. So driver it be there for outside time where the motor it burn as soon as they be take time for loss at the fire for all corner for see the motor the fire all thing it finish before the Army Rescue then say they come out for sideway this fire be the car. So this one it pass so hospital roundabout this afternoon as well be the talk for now. Make we here waiting with the head boy for the Army Rescue Unit for Bamenda, Senior Warrant Officer Taku Paul. He talk for we microphone.
To do everything possible to arrive there as fast as possible because the motor will be the bomb, it don't already start the bomb some house or corner. Fire from that motor, we don't want the bomb to house or corner. So now the only thing we do is say more come, they limit the propagation because the next house we do for back, now play where they do carpentry workshop. And if we don't do that fire quick, if we burn the rest of the houses, because we get sawdust inside where they activate fire, if we get plank then too inside where it activate fire. So the first thing I will limit the propagation of the fire all along, if you see behind, so that means fire not go far.
Senior Warrant Officer Taku Paul, where the talk for we and just for see way to see for corner that fire for that motor, and so na go see small time na sawdust pots and oil for inside fry pan. Where so mommy, if you want start a business for fry pop off early morning time. Fire for motor, it can cause some peanuts, it enter for inside a pothole. Yes, it means say the peanut no be work again after where the fire starts. So now just some of the thing that we will see corner the fire where it no be if for Easter he left the fire for cash. If the fire for cross, it come up for the motor for that side. We take una enter for K-Town just now. Una don't see Sabi say before place it be one star kene for southwest and northwest. Light where they go for K-Town, someone they be the get light from Loom, other one they get light from Limbe, but now direction where the light it come out, na Limbe, correct, it come out for Limbe, and just now for Sika say light for inside Kumba, you know the take again over for some kind of style, it don't be now just now where people there they get cold store where they sell fish, one day where they go buy them for cold store can sell them, where they say price for fish inside Kumba market, it don't go for up, all the one according to the Bine people them, they say now for Sika say it is so, as well they no get trust again, for current for the company where they give light for inside country. Now for Sika why that way just now they use now na generator, and for say make that generator it work 24 on 24, it means say make they buy fuel put them for inside generator. So for Sika say they get extra money where they spend them for Sika problem for current where you know they all time where the year say price for fish inside Kumba Makiro we wanna the chop and just now it don't go for up. So no surprise say you go buy burning fish for evening time. Small one wey use for buy am 500, they tell you say the time na 600 or 700. Sabi say na for Sika problem for light for town as so talk for na Kumba before the problem one start for southwest and northwest where it is so they be get na two phase. It means a power current it come out from Loom, it come Kumba, current it come out from Limbe, it come Kumba. But just now as so the talk na only side for Limbe where current it pass enter for Kumba. Now it means say it sell people them for Boya, sell people them for Moyoka, sell people them for Ikona, sell people them even from Balangi before it can reach for Kumba side where na plenty people them on top one single line. Now you make them say light in if day 24 they must ever disease light one time for Sika save the population for one line it don't over too much. So now why that whether they complain say price of fish it don't go for up. Make we hear way to where some of these business people then talk for microphone for Zaibwe.
About the thing of perishable goods. So when line up there so the thing is spoiled, we not the conserve. So it really begs the men to try make like maybe stable. So that will be able now for the conserve or perishable goods. Like this frozen thing will sell like fish, meat, etc.
They buy petrol at least 10,000 francs to produce a generator. We use it for the whole day. I never use it throughout the night. We use from morning to to 5 o'clock in the evening off the generator. 3 days, we don't know if we get problem. Maybe only for 1 day or 2 days. Maybe affect me. The only problem I say that's petrol. You consume that petrol, commit up with the business. You worry. I say you consume.
The fish from Douala, who don't bring the fish to Kubaya, we will not get like the fish in our fridge, soft. We will bring it out to retailing, we will meet up with the price level we buy.
Yes, been people them for Kumba and Sabi say one them two they hear hot for sake of this problem for light. Now people there where they fix fridge inside Kumba country people them wanna Sabi say for sake say the voltage for a fridge, a voltage for current. You know the use of can plenty or sometimes it count plenty power. You don't go get a fridge, they just come out for fix anana as so you put on for current, it blow again. Now people them for fridge where they get problem. Even as well they get plenty customer the way they count fridge where they fix. One other problem they get now say when they fix fridge then light a current is spoil them again now so them they get problem so they get advantage and they get disadvantage and now they decry just now say make their own customer them too make the sabi when they bring their fridge for say high voltage make the sabi to say when current in no day they get for lost the fridge so that they no go get any problem. So fridge people them too they get problem just now with customer. We be talk with one person where they fix fridge inside K-Town.
You know, say also sit we set up for house. We don't say after 2 days they call you. We am go there sometimes engine on die. Our customer no blame for here. We am expect for customer you blame that you technician. Yes, now it's not we kill you. Come here. A local and mostly maybe for make a major open the loom route because we see if they open the loom route maybe the problem for low voltage will be soft small.
So the problem now say may they bring the other phase 2 where they come up for loom so that Kumba people them they feel enjoy light. So just now you know if pass for no binet place or inside Kumba where you know they see this Mr. Man where they call them say generator now they think that where the help people them just now why that way even the cargo them it go for up price for tin them it go for up for inside Kumba as we Tori enter for we here since we there for chapter for current make we turn back for Douala we take una go for place where they call them saying Dog Passy where people them where they pay current for side from Dog Passy they beg same company where the local light for Douala here make it try for making them easy for this population with the year said plenty of them they don't go they save like some 3 weeks they never fit for pay their money just for sick waiting all day they give them complain say connection in no day and it make them people they come all time we now only for campaign money you give people them bill for take your money to where you don't charge them na trouble you dey only suffer people them. So now for inside Dog Passy where the people them too they cry say may the company where it the local lights it try for making them easy for them as we Tori enter for inside we here. We go take una enter for different matter just now for Tori na for place where they call am say Boko na for inside Douala here. For sicker problem where the people then they get all time where rainy fall na see am no as we water then it water it don't come block for here. Now just for sicker plenty dirty country people them dirty way it don't flop road where water be get for pass. Now for sicker why that way this so the hygiene and sanitation committee for inside village or quarter where they call am say Boko for Douala here they be there for outside they no care whether something they inside the guataho they no care whether na say the guataho dirty the day inside they say better make they come out all dirty but they go come out and go outside see how the man he enter for water so take the only struggle now for chapie grass. Imagine we know the process on what it happen if Oga Snake dey inside that water air country people if he buy this man you understand and a big trouble be that but don't enter oil skin so take water even almost carry and on top that one if una look and find the bottle wey na plastic bottle na that one wey governor get for start check sense on top yes main governor start check sense on top this bottle the way na plastic for sick say no the help you understand when you don't finish drink your water you don't finish drink your mimbo inside the plastic bottle then wetin you go do with am throw away and when you throw away it too don't be na something wey the block road water no fit pass na so if when e flow for one place for say make water can pass na logmok. But na say make we give congratulate for the people dem for Boko wey they don't decide for do their work. They know wait say make council e come talk say make the county caterpillar. Now the people themselves they don't sabi say if they left the thing so it be some kind way wey rain e don start fall. Now their house them they go suffer, their chair them they go wet, their bed them they go wet. So dem for say make water e lost e normal road e can't enter for the house. Them say they don't enter just now for say make they try for champion for say make thing they clear. So now the hygiene and communication committee for side from Boko for inside Douala here where they don't do their own small clean. But this one now just for help for say make water e pass so that when rainy fall water go sabi roads wey e get for pass for that side. Inside a place where they call am to say Douala here country people them now for inside 9 district police station where commissioner Jean-Sylvain Mugu in a big man for way big man where they call am say anti-gang Nsama where they join hand. They don't catch 11 I say 11 young boy them country people them and sabi say all them their age the oldest person it go be around that kind of 30 as we to re-enter for we hear they did them 11 where they catch them waiting where they do catch them for we hear say this young boy them if you want talk people there they show you knife say they if you no give them something they go finish with you their hand they you want catch people there they smoke banger their hand they you want catch people there they even broke people their house thief in them their hand they for inside now anyway after we commissioner for inside 9 district police station commissioner Jean-Sylvain Amugu he look the matter now so to he call and Rain Sama when a big man for anti-gang for judicial police now all them they join hate they work then they catch this 11 young boy them inside they do so just now they also continue for question them for inside this matter where they catch them and if you look their age them now 21 11 12 22 23 no man inside them no one for they he never even knock 30 years as soon as they say and so on the people there so just now police people them they ask them question on top the matter for thing the way they catch them make we see thing the way they catch out this young boy them country people them inside the matter on a sabitio that they call them say tie yes tie he did it when I see am say they don't tie am for small thing them no ask me even tramadol he did inside the thing the way they catch and country people them so all the thing when I see am so they don't tie am the one way he flop so do an banga say the original leaf na be that way they don't tie am some the day where they sell am some the day where they smoke am some the day where they sabi as well they figure am for their combi them for corner so all the thing them na way the uniform people them after where they call anti-gang big man we send the boy them and even the commissioner for 9 district Jean-Sylvain Amugu now so they catch them so now the place that they smoke and they see spanner them where they use them enter for inside people their house they want them now one way they use them move part them for Okada for person in motor and Okada they get all that part the way they don't come out for people their motor them and even for Okada where they don't thief and so these 11 young boy them they dey for back counter they also answer question from uniform people them as we Tori enter for inside we hear for up Damawa we talk this water river Banyo or if you call and say na stream for Banyo side where it is so small so the only bridge where them get na be that motor wey turn up so oh the motor if they for left that motor for pass on top the bridge today for the talk say bridge e don broke for side for Banyo now for sika wait for on top that gongoro na lockmop you understand wait for that gongoro na lockmop and on top the bridge people there for Banyo they only manage the place na manager you understand they manage this place na manager then the kind of big motor too e can pass if as they left that motor for pass the bridge e for broke and na the thing that way see am plenty people then turn up other people there they be wan come for back wey no dey them at all other motor them they no be fit for pass just for sika say wetin this motor e be wan almost make the bridge e collapse but last we dey hear say mayor and the DO they be call for people the way they be come for can help as wey the motor pass na so too one time they look as wey they fit fix their bridge now lana come na people the way they dey work for laboratory wey they dey check whether medicine the way they drink am e dey fine and they dey do their own medicine too for country these people they say the small subvention wey government be don plan for give them they never see am 4 months salary they never see am. So na the thing that way provoke them, they come up for outside. But plenty people them, they don't dey ask question. This kind of time when governors get for instead make the people their heart is sweet so that they go the work fine. Na time where they instead make their heart e vex. If they no look the medicine or even the vaccine wey they take am, how we go sabi say the thing dey fine for we go drink one man medicine, we instead go the sick na sick dem more. So they dey beg say make governor look inside this matter, and even the promise wey dem don make away they never fulfill, make the try for fulfill so that the people dem they no go cry. We take una go for Mamfe na for inside Manu division wey custom people they don catch plenty carton dem for Mimbo wey e comot Nigeria dey come for inside Cameroon, and sabi say they buy the Mimbo dem put am na for inside carton the way no fit check or you no fit sabi say if na the Mimbo e be dey for inside. So the custom people they want time wey they catch am, they open am, they see am say na Mimbo wey they don go buy am from Nigeria, then they bring and then they one enter for country for nyati as we tori enter for inside we here. So good work for custom people them inside Mamfe for my division. But if the people they pay money for custom people them, una sabi say they go give them back their Mimbo. But if they no can pay that money where they be one dodge for pay, the Mimbo it go remain with the custom people them for site for Mamfe for Manu division. Place where they call them say Ambamyat now for South region for that side to country people them as well as the scene as so backside cargo them we custom people them to then catch for side for Ambamyat for inside Eboloa for South region. This cargo them too they be the enter for backside before the custom people they take you be get Mimbo for inside and other part them spare part the way they catch inside this motor where it be one enter innocent way for South region where it don't go carry cargo the way no one pay for custom people them for side for Ambamyat. As well talk for now for we strong number Prime Minister Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute just now it dey for place where they call them say Jikam their big office it dey meet up with the private business people them. Prime Minister waka for Douala now for come talk for the private business people them the plan when governor get them for use them for fix back southwest and northwest, and after we Prime Minister finish talk as way the plan get for day and wait where the business peoples the private one they get for do now. So to their big man Oga Tawamba he don't talk say yes they go turn up tron for Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute he talk, and even governor he plan for build back northwest and southwest. Sabi say for sake say the place them they don't die waiting they know they happen. Even them the business people them they hear bad, so they don't talk say if they no come help from governor, if they no turn up fine for fix northwest and southwest, na it mean say waiting them the business people there they count for plenty thing them from southwest and northwest they go cry over for sake say just now even as way the thing they happen they don't already hear bad. So by tomorrow we will tell you a complete story on top waka for Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute for inside Douala here. This Tuesday country people them just now we enter from Mamfe for inside Bangem for Kupe Mwaninguba division, and sabi some council session it be happen for inside Bangem where it consign now some particular people them sabi say for sake problem where they worry them too think them they no be don't balance for Bangem side. But just now with the USA place it don't be quiet small, but even as we place on the quiet we get some people them where it they so they like say they don't forget them complete apart from say council people they be meet up for check money we enter for their qua and money where they get for spend, and wait where they get for do for get money, and wait where they go do for the Bangem zone. The mayor say if she done it don't talk say waiting they be get for do special election, and this special election now for vote special deputy mayor where he go look out some of the village them where they over there inside bush where they no fit for common come for town, so that person where they vote him like special mayor if it come talk for council say the people them road in no day how we go do them roads we chop e dey plenty for inside Bangem. Some of the thing them where that special deputy mayor he get for do person where dey for Bangem them as a woman he talk for microphone for Shakino Molo.
I appreciate the mayor and the new councillors. They try their best, but they still get plenty work because you get plenty remote areas away. The vexed don't be neglected, like the Bajo area, Mbomu clan. They feel like they be abandoned. So now a big challenge to the mayor and the councillor therefore make sure say they make the people they feel the impact, make they feel so they not be neglected, make they feel so they should be part of Bangam people and Cameroon in general. And the only way they fit, put a smile for the affair right now for give them that special deputy mayor. And the way the election passed, I think say it passed fine. I will be one of those where they get to stand. But after we don't put our heads together, I'll look and say no. Don't all we be competent, but all man not be a leader. So we decide for one of our brothers, so we like for take the lead. Why we they behind for support? So I appreciate the mayor and the new councillors. They try their best.
They vote for say make it look out, it bring problem for that village where they drive for bush, where they know the people come out. It to take time for tell we, seen a better thing, and it go work as we they put you on top that chair.
Paper for Bangam, sometimes for areas that from Bomo for trek for forest. If you take you 3 days, imagine for come on for Ekonomumbo, for can reach for Bangam. Passing through the jungle, you get to pass through Ekonabaji, you get to pass through Bubaji, you get to pass through Buka. And the distance between Buka and Bang, that distance, if you be persuaded to work very fast, now 6 hours, they vex plenty because they don't forget them. They don't get water, they don't get road, they don't get light, nothing, so they vex. Now the council, the administration don't consider, so no, if I they take one of their picking them. Where they make a special deputy mayor so that whatever thing they hamper for council, if you can't tell them, there's more problem now. They're going to tell me, I go bring them for council so that we'll see the one way council if you do them, they will do them. The one they know if you do them, they go address them to hierarchy.
We go here with the mayor Sesepi talk for we when we go meet up on for Wednesday country people them. Charles Wasabi, plenty young people them, they inside class, as so they talk just now. They write their first, they write common entrance. When this one, it go make them for see whether they go for inside college or not. So for that side for Kumba, so to really enter with EM. For now, they never hear any problem. And divisional officer for Kumba, Oga Ali Anubu Seseb, he don't turn for schools them for see as we they picking them they write exam for inside Kumba. Sabi say for security, plenty of the picking them where they be get for right like place them like Kake and even Kwakwa. All them they write now for one particular center for town for CC make nothing happen for them. So for now we never hear any problem for any school where exam it pass for inside Kumba. Now for Southwest region country people them where they picking them they write their common entrance. We go come out for day one time. We see whether we take update for Corona and maybe newspaper them for Ivory Coast. 5 people there they get Corona on Monday. 36 people them with the well. No person no die. 248 people they did sick bed for Seka Corona. 46,661 people them they don't catch Corona since they enter Ivory Coast. 46,115 people they don't well. 298 people they don't already die for Seka Corona for Ivory Coast. Country people them as we to really enter for we here and just so sabi for Nigeria we be get a limited small number where they catch a corona on Monday as we to really enter for we here. We will surely turn back for them tomorrow. We get case for person we don't lost country people them make we take una show na that photo for person we don't lost na the mamidis they call it Manzue Suzanne we don't come up for house since. So Madam Abuang Marie Idibek, any person we don't see this mommy as with that photo the show now. If una don't see number for before tele 655-807-819 699-442-550 694-509 and 652. Number them we wanna use for call the family. If una see this mommy or if you report the case, whether now for police or gendarme office way it dey for corner country people then. So now the thing then that for this afternoon for inside Equinox Tori House, I want to say big thank you for Theophile. We put camera from before this afternoon for backside Zephyrin Gondi, Malis and Manadine. All them they join for talks here. Thank you for all now following. If Papa God agree, we go meet up for 8 o'clock Wednesday morning. Una hold am tight for outside.